Back at the Red Rooster today, and I brought over some fans to help with cooling the place down because it is so fucking hot. So anything interesting happened since I was gone?
Mostly it's working on the porch and trying to get the columns done, and they're taking a long time. And they started working on the windows.
Yeah, I noticed the windows, but this has been taking a lot of your time, hasn't it?
Yeah?
Yeah. It's quite a time sink. That's going to help a lot because it's really hot in here. Now this other fan has a missing power cable, so I'm going to try to replace that. Found this other power cable and put that through there. And I'm going to tie a knot onto here to help make sure it doesn't come back through. And there we have it, finally some airflow. So, as you guys might have noticed, the decks had a lot more done on it. John got some of the bases done and whatnot, so that's pretty cool. But this deck has been taking up a lot of time. The guys up there are redoing the windows. They've already got the top row pretty much done there on that last one right there. Cleaned up pretty well. Stuff trips you on the floor here. I'm sure there's been more demolition in the basement, so yes. Let's see, this concrete's been taken out. Not much else though. It's kind of a storage place for all the scrap metal and whatnot. But this is open. So yeah, not too much has actually changed. It's nice to have the windows changed out though. Man, it's so hot. It's almost 100 degrees, and it's kind of humid also. If I see any of these windows going into the trash, I'll most likely keep a couple, but not too many. You know what, guys? It's just way too hot today. So I think next time I'll come here really early and start working right in the morning whenever the day hasn't, like the weather hasn't heated up and it becomes just so hot, because it's almost like it feels painful to even breathe this air because it's just warm. Ugh. Well, that's pretty much it. Getting some progress. Not as much progress as I would have thought we'd see after a month, but oh well. They're getting in some of the pillars as we speak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya!